is Casper a better pillow for us to sleep on? Okay, now this is a great question because sleep is really important, one, to help us feel better, but also in our recovery from illness or injuries. Okay, so I cover sleeping with my clients all the time. So one of the questions was, is Casper a good pillow to check out? Okay, so first thing I noticed with Casper is that it's in a box rather than a little plastic bag that a standard pillow comes in. Okay, now right away you can feel the coolness of the materials. And what makes a cool pillow actually good for us is because when our body is resting, it actually responds better in a colder temperature rather than warmth. Okay, I think they said that the best sleeping temperature is, I think, 64 degrees at nighttime. Okay, and so you will definitely feel the coolness from this pillow. Now, other things to think about with a Casper pillow is that, okay, it's soft, but it's still supportive, because as a side sleeper, you want to make sure that you're resting your head on the pillow and that the pillow is supporting to the structures and the shape of your head, okay, without allowing your head to have a kink up or sunken down. Now, one of the things that I also notice with my clients is that if they require multiple pillows, like 4 pillows in order to sleep, you actually have a different problem going on. Something like you could have congestive heart failure, you could have COPD, you could have sleep apnea. Okay, and now those are all things I would definitely say, please seek out a doctor, okay? Because the reason why you're having trouble sleeping is not going to be solved from a pillow, okay? But it's those things to keep track of, that if you're having trouble sleeping and that one pillow is not enough for you, that's definitely a reason to see a doctor to see what else might be going on. But I really like this Casper pillow because it's got enough support. It's flexible because I'm a side sleeper, okay? But it still allows my neck and my back to stay in a neutral alignment, okay? So then that way I'm actually getting a much more restful sleep versus one of these